Welcome everyone to this video where we'll guide you through creating a loan within our core banking system. First, let's navigate to our client service portal, an all-encompassing hub for loan and account management. This portal also includes a Kanban board, facilitating efficient task management. Here you can undertake various tasks at both person and company levels, such as managing account or loan products, maintaining client data, defining client-product relations, and more. Using the search bar, let's locate the client created explicitly for this video, Peter Johnson. From the Person 360 page, we can initiate a loan creation process. In this video, we'll showcase the creation of an unsecured loan using pre-configured product templates available in our configuration portal. When you create the loan, you'll be able to define a number of different properties. This includes adding a borrower and configuring key loan parameters such as payment date, duration, principal amount, interest spreads, and the nominated account to which the loan will be dispersed. The first step is to select the borrower, Peter Johnson. Once you confirm the borrower, you will arrive at a loan property page where you can add the loan reference and the payment property details. One period for every month. Then the properties for the principal with the first payment date, the number of payments, and the principal amount. A part of the interest properties is already pre-filled based on the selected loan template. However, you can decide to add an additional interest spread of 3.5% to make the total interest amount on this loan 5.5%. Following this, you'll encounter follow-up actions where you can define how to disperse the loan amount, whether it will be entirely paid out to an external account, for example, the previously defined nominated account, or whether the new loan being created will be used to refinance or repay an older loan. Moving forward in the wizard, you'll gain insights into the loan's forecasted cash flows to ensure the payment amounts are as expected. Additionally, you'll be able to define any custom fields on the loan if they have been configured in the configuration portal. Finally, you'll arrive at a summary page where all the loan details are consolidated, allowing you to double-check everything before you confirm the creation of the loan. Congratulations! You've successfully generated a loan in our core banking system. It's important to note that while this video demonstrates the manual process, all of these actions can be seamlessly automated using APIs. Thank you for watching this video. If you're eager to learn more, don't hesitate to contact us through our website. We're here and keen to provide you with further information and support.